This is our live chakra attunement. It is May 20th, 2026, and we are breathing in, pausing at the top of our breath, holding it for a little count there, and then releasing it through the mouth, letting go of anything we don't need. And sometimes I like to just brush off my shoulders too. Left hand to the right shoulder, right hand to the left shoulder, and just dust them off as if all the things, the burdens, the worries, the stuff that you're carrying, you can let go of. Drop that jaw. Notice if there's any tension in it. One or two more of those cleansing breaths, deep breath in through the nose, releasing through the mouth, and then we'll go into the regular Samavriti breath. In through the nose, pausing at the top, out through the nose, breathing in, breathing out, surrounding the body with a container of light below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left of the body. I express my power on the path of love and grow my divine presence in the world. Say that 3 times. I express my power on the path of love and grow my divine presence in the world. Express my power on the path of love and grow my divine presence in the world. Breathing in and out. Noticing the container of light above the head, below the feet, in front of the body, behind, to the right and the left. By putting your attention on it, you remain conscious. By putting your attention on it, you bring yourself into this central place. You make your container real. You can see your aura. You can sense your body, the organs and the blood flowing, the nervous system. You can sense the chakras. Breathing in, breathing out. Red at the base, orange at the navel, yellow at the solar plexus, green at the heart, blue at the throat, indigo at the third eye, violet to white light at the crown. Breathing in, breathing out, noticing what you notice. And again, focusing on the breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, I know that I am breathing in. Breathing out, I know that I am breathing out. In, out. So the breath going, your consciousness starting to go to the color red, breathing it in, pulling it into your auric field, your container of light, concentrating it at the root, the tailbone, the pelvic floor, down the right leg, down the left leg, all the way through the ankles and the long bones to the center of the feet. Low-toned Om is a sound that we use to wake it up, to feel the richness of that red energy grounding us to the new healed whole Mother Earth. And the one syllable Sanskrit mantra is Lam. Om. Lam. 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 You can gently march your feet. Feel your spine nice and straight. And maybe mentally repeat that you're fully connected to and supported by the new healed whole Mother Earth. Continuing to breathe. Breathing in and breathing out. Good. Breathing in And breathing out. Good. Let the shoulders relax a little bit more even, but the spine straighten. Feel your inner strength by connecting with the breath and with the earth. Drawing the breath in, focusing on the navel area, hip to hip, kidney to kidney, the orange chakra, the belly chakra. And breathing in and out, inspiration, relaxing all your intestines, relaxing your stomach and your belly area. We can get really tense and worried in there. So bringing in that orange energy. On the inward breath, it's the medium toned Om. The one syllable Sanskrit mantra is Vam with a V. Orange, draw it in, concentrate it. Vam, 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 Vam. And continuing to breathe, breathing in and out. Feel the colors going from red to orange and now going up to lemony yellow to sunshine yellow. The solar plexus above the navel, about 1.5 inches, depending on your trunk size, comes up under the edge of that breastbone, wraps around to the adrenals. So in these moments that you're pulling in yellow, and imagine concentrating it at the solar plexus area and the adrenal area, imagine that you're taking in fresh vitamin D, energy, recharging your battery. It's a high-toned Om where you visualize the concentrated yellow. One syllable Sanskrit mantra for this is Ra. Om Ra. Om Ra. Breathing in, those bottom three, red, orange, yellow, those are color vibrations that are strong, fiery, passionate, energizing, and they are grounding us in our human existence. The root is how we connect here on the earth. The orange chakra is how we interact and create. The yellow chakra is how we go out into the world and interact with each other. And now we open up to the heart so that we can bring a bridge and a balance, those hot fiery energies with the cooling energies, so that we're balanced in our bodies, in our minds, in our spirits. So coming into the heart, green energy, you remember the exercise. The deep sighs, and let them go through the body. Feel the resonance of them and feel yourself letting go of more anything that's heavy or painful or sad. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Breathing in and breathing out. Yum, green energy. Yum, yum, yum. We're just taking a moment to, from the heart, focus on the garden, Kuan Yin, the flowers, and imagine sending love to any being that's suffering on the planet right now, and wrapping them in the warmth of the garden in the heart of Kuan Yin, breathing in and breathing out, breathing in and breathing out. There's a lot of fires going on in California right now, and these little Channel Islands there have really big fire and just having a hard time putting it out. And I just think of all the little foxes there when I was there, and they just like run all over the island. They're so cute. And you just really kind of understand the impermanence. So there are so many levels where we can see around us endings and beginnings. And we're on the earth and the planet now. We're in a new beginning. And for that new beginning to emerge and manifest fully, there has to be endings. It's part of the cycle. And your breathing consciously helps you stay present in that cycle. Breathing in to the heart chakra, breathing out. Breath in, breath out. The full cycle. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I let go of the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I let go of worrying about the future. I am awake, I am aware. I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. Coming up now from the heart to the next set of three upper chakras. So the blue, the indigo, and the violet, the cooler vibratory energies to balance that passion and that fire. And coming into the throat, it's the blue of the sky, Mary's mantle, bright blue topaz. And the exercise we use is the lion breath, the tongue coming out to the chin, the paws flaring up. Get a few roars in there this morning. Helping move out anything, any emotions, any stuff that's in there, helping you find your voice, your place in the world. And let that blue energy run through. Breathing in, breathing out. The one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is hum, H-U-M as well. We're going to chant that now after we do one more of the breath exercises. Hum, 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 hum. Breathing in, breathing out. That's good. Breathing in, breathing out, feeling the softness of the blue. Yeah. And now we'll go up to the third eye. We open the palms, holding them open to give. We do a small gratitude practice here, which we can make longer after the call or when you do your meditations, or maybe you already did this morning. Gratitude. Grateful for all the help that there is for us out there from Spirit, from all the spiritual teachers, from all the, there's so much that we can do. Grateful that I know how to meditate. Grateful that I activate and actively meditate. Be grateful for yourself to take those opportunities using this precious human life every moment to practice. Grateful for the ability to practice, and grateful for making the time to practice. When we slow down and we let go of our running around and our worries, we can be, we can practice, we can connect with our breath. So much gratitude. Third eye chakra's color is indigo. Of course, it's right there at the brow. You You can kind of focus your attention there now with the palms open, visualizing all you're grateful for, and then we go into the exercise, which is the high-pitched ee, and the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Sham. Sham, 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 sham. Sham. And breathing in with the palms still open. Now we're opening them to receive. We're going up to the purple, violet, amethyst crown chakra at the top of the head, reaching up to the heavens and feeling the connection coming back to us. We use the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra of whoa, 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 whoa. This is actually not the mantra, this is the exercise. Whoa, 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 whoa. The mantra is Om. So let's use the exercise now, breathing in. When you get to the top, just be still and let yourself receive back. Know that the ascended masters, the angelic presence, the spirits, the guides, the guardians, they're there for you. Ready? Whoa, 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 whoa. And of course that one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is the toning of Om. So let's go ahead and tone Om 3 times today. The first for yourself, the second for each other that's joining in this circle or listening to this recording, the third sending that vibration out into the world of peace and harmony and balance. Ready? And here we can just take a moment to set our intentions for the day, to think of anyone who needs love and support. Think of, send your energy out there with intention.